So today we're making the last word. It's a delicious gin chartreuse cocktail. Let's get started. We're gonna need some fresh lime juice for this. So we've got all these great new equipment from Barfly, and so I'm gonna juice my lime in the new lime juicer. Silly. Putting it in there the wrong way. So the last word, it's an equal parts drink. So we're with 4 components. We have gin, chartreuse, maraschino, whatever, and lime juice. Here are our components. Delicious Scratch Gin is what we're using because they're our favorites. And so here we go. Let's get started. So we're gonna do a 3/4 ounce pour of lime juice. Three-quarter ounce pour of gin. A lot of people do 1 ounce. I'm doing 3/4 ounce because we're drinking a lot. So I'm just trying to keep an eye on my alcohol intake right now. Look how responsible I'm becoming. I used to just pour as strong as I could. 3/4 ounce chartreuse and 3/4 of an ounce of Luxardo. Unless you can find someone else that makes maraschino, but Luxardo's been my favorite for years, so I'm just I fall back on them pretty regularly. We said before, it is a gin cocktail, so typically we want to stir, but it has lime juice, so we're gonna shake. When shaking these drinks, martinis, a lot of times I like to shake until my fingers start to go numb, especially when it's a metal tin, or just give you kind of an idea why or how long I'm shaking for. I used to work for a guy that made you shake it until you could scrape frost off of the outside of the shaker, but we don't need it that cold. Get the double strains, make sure you get the pulp and the ice. You can see it in there. And there's your last word. Cheers. No garnish really needed. It's just a nice, clean cocktail. Oh, it's good.